I don't like to call my content ASMR, and it can be relaxing to some people. I guess it's optional ASMR. Sometimes I do have my kids here, and then sometimes they're at school, and it's really quiet. And then, when it is quiet, the trolls come in, so it'd be crazy over here sometimes. Depends on the days, exactly. But the squeezes are always good, period. I'm not gonna lie, I love this soft grout sponge. I have a feeling it's gonna rip quickly, but I love the way it drops the liquid. Like, you see that? That was quiet, and then you go to this one, and it's... I love that noise. Yes, I reuse a lot of what I can, but as you know, as well as I do, even if I clean my house every day, it's hard to keep all of it. I do not have any alcohol. I am not fucking with that stuff. Sorry, y'all. I just can't. I mean, okay, I don't put it in combos. I could do a rinse with it, but I'm not. I know, see? Oh, my God. I don't even know what to think about having 9K followers. I love y'all. For real. Oh, yeah. It smells amazing. But what a lot of people won't tell you is once you're around it for so long, during a combo, it's hard to smell it. All of it. I try to keep what I can, you guys. I can't keep everything. Oh my gosh, are y'all not listening to me? And then people will be like, well, I just got here. And I'm like, but I literally just answered it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a 9K giveaway because I do giveaways to my mods. You guys, we need liquids and powders. Does anybody want to send for either one? Are we finished for the day? If we are, that's fine. This is so good. This has been one of the better mixtures I made with laundry in a minute. And this has liquid soap. It's got quite a bit of shit in it. All right, we need to finish this Ariel. Hey, Mitty. All right, you guys. Does anybody else want to add after this? After we get this Ariel in? I can save some again and we can continue to add. If we're finished, that's fine too. Thank you. She keeps saying as much as she can. Exactly. Okay, yeah. You guys have to look. Listen, when I say this, I'm not being rude, but you guys have to use your resources of your eyesight and try to figure out what. Somebody said how much is what? Thank you. I hate this one. I love this one, though. This is for my mama. Did somebody ask how much something was? Did somebody catch that? The water. I can't even see what that says because I got paste on my phone. Hang on. Oh, girl, I don't know. I haven't gotten mine since we switched it here. All right, can we unpin that? Y'all can't. I think you're squeezing. Aw. I hope I bring comfort to some. Thank you, babe. I love you guys. Yeah, sorry. I have been for a minute. I just wanted to read a few comments. Sue me, sponge junkie. Bill me, girl. I swear I think y'all are rage baiting me at this point. I'm not answering no more questions. I think they're literally rage baiting me.
Jacqueline. Ours is really good.
Do what?
We cooked.
You cooked. Period.
Mama, we did really. No, Augie, we don't want you to have. We couldn't hide our stuff down here, so y'all hide your stuff up there.
Yes.
We wanted to hide some things down here.
Lily, don't yell. Quit yelling, please.
So it's not fair. Mom.
Quit yelling.
It's not fair if we couldn't and y'all could.
Who said you couldn't, though?
Because they were down here and I knew they weren't going to go upstairs.
I mean, they might have. You can't say that.
And Mama, this is what we did. It's clue 1.
What's up, bitch?
Oh, that. Oh, my God.
Clue 1. X marks the spot.
Hang on, y'all.
Go to the place where you feed the animals to find. And then this one says,
Welcome home, Dusty. Pretty
this
much.
one says, you should have a red ornament. Use it as a pass key to Santa's workshop.
Oh,
Who's
that's
this?
cute.
And then it says,
He be coming home. Hey, bitches. I'm like, oh, my God.
you should have a piece of yellow paper. Open it and answer the questions inside. Then slide it under the door. Wait for a purple piece of paper to be handed to you. And then the purple piece of paper says,
Mom, we need a bag.
Now you're almost done. All you have to do is find your prize. Go to the place you sleep again to find your prize. Hint, it's not in a bed. And then these are the questions.
Okay, now what was the prize?
Candy canes. It says,
Period. That's cute.
The questions were what colors are Santa's hat and what does Santa bring on Christmas Eve?
Nice. That was cute. Dusty be doing too much. He be putting me on the spot and making me feel like, damn, I'm about to get clipped. He's really in there calling them kids bitches. No, he's just playing with his family. I'm going to finish Christmas shopping. Mama, y'all have fun. You too, girl. I got to go tomorrow and finish up some. And probably
Are y'all
Tuesday.
gonna go do it?
Ooh, look at that. At the bottom. Does anybody want to send for liquids? Have fun, Mandy, and please be safe.
I accidentally walked in on Dusty.
You gotta knock before you go in the bathroom.
I was gonna go in there and flush the toilet.
Oh. But still, the door's shut.
Tell them they have to go upstairs so we can't hear what they're
They
doing.
do. Go upstairs.
Go upstairs, she said.
It needs to be exciting for them too.
She said go upstairs.
Bro, there's no hard surface up there to write it down on.
Your dresser.
Yes, we have liquids. If anybody wants to send for liquids,
Get a book.
some dish soap moms would eat in this right now. Does anybody want to send for some $3 dish soaps?
Augie, I found you a hard surface.
I love this sponge. My wrists are gonna be burnt. I feel it already.
Use this coloring book to write on. Augie, use this coloring book.
If you don't want me to see it, then go
Oh
upstairs.
my God.